Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July the 21st on a Friday, and ugly candle yesterday in the QQQ. Big tech, a lot of those stocks took a hit. Some decent volume. Are gapping up a little bit today, and actually gapping up more in the SPYs, uh, close to actually the prior day's high. So we'll have to see what happens. It is option expiration Friday. So let's dive in and look at some setups that I'm liking today. There was actually some good calls yesterday, even in the carnage. Let's take a look at Delta here. Love the way this is holding up. Okay, nice little pullback here to the 20 period, bounced up, holding this 10 period here on the daily. So maybe look for a trade above maybe the $49 level. Let's see, another one, this HWM. Okay, impressive chart. Once again, had a move up, kind of flagging here, holding this 10 period moving average. So, I don't know if I'd wait to this candle before I'd buy it, maybe get a little head start. I'm not looking to do much today on being a Friday. I don't take a whole lot of positions. Did notice China's gapping up today, so let's take a look at some China stocks real quick. Momo is one that I'm liking here. It hasn't pulled back as much as the other China stocks, so keep an eye on this MOMO. And let's see, in big tech land, some incredible relative strength yesterday in NTAP. Okay, remember the other technology stocks were getting hammered. This one bounced off its 10-day and closed on highs. So, as far as an entry, don't know what to tell you there, but I'm just telling you there's some huge relative strength here in this end tap. So maybe watch that one. All right, guys, that's it for today. There's some other ones obviously on there. And have a great weekend. I'll talk to you Monday. Bye-bye.